Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
North Eastern Electric Power Corporation Limited hak atrik uyayong arajar pusau. Kelarake ke jenjat lenti ke basau kendai stem ne ke 49 Foundation Day ya ke berpenlong hak corporate office Geelong bat habrok Islam terikam ki jongka. Hak jengarake ya ke negesngi la sakilang du chairman cum managing director Gurdeep Singh ubi Maharana bat kiwe. Kumanci pentip hang ni bagi NEPCO kada Islam bimi boarding belatip kum ke Panyor Lower Hydro Power Station hak jela Arunachal Pradesh, ke Tural Hydro Power Station hak jela Mizoram, ke Pe Hydro Power Station hak jela Arunachal Pradesh, ke Agartala Gas Base Power Station hak jela Tripura, bat ke Assam Gas Base Power Station hak jela Assam. Lapin syongkon ya ke negejing rakhe dak kenhon jaka 58 GTC pipe band.
अपने अपनी जगह पे या आज या कल परसों जो भी जिस तरह से भी जो समय उचित होता है उसी के हिसाब से इसको मनाते होंगे और मैं आप लोगों को इनकरेज करूँगा कि you should celebrate this day with wholehearted pride and your kind of belongingness to this organization, which has done quite a good, remarkable job for the northeastern regions. And as Mr. Maharana, I think he had covered many of the topics. As he mentioned, कि अब हम केवल निप्को के लिए ही नहीं, शायद रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी के माध्यम से कुछ दूसरे देश के दूसरे हिस्सों में भी अपना कैपेसिटी लगाने में सक्षम होंगे। और इसके साथ मैं ये भी बताना चाहूँगा कि अब the NTPC, which is the largest power generating company, is with you and is committed towards the progress of NIPCO. Let me share here that Honorable Minister, Honorable Secretary, everyone is looking very eagerly that how we means at this time I am saying we as NIPCO will be in a position to add new capacities in hydro and renewables. When I am saying renewables, उसका मतलब है solar, wind, storage. So मैं आप सबको ये केवल भरोसा नहीं दिला रहा हूँ, केवल साझा नहीं कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन मैं ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि आप सबके सामने एक बहुत ही उज्जवल भविष्य है और बहुत सारी संभावनाएं हैं and with those संभावनाएं there is lot of career opportunities for most of the people who will be able to perform, who will be able to steer the progress of the different works of the company's operations. शुरुआत में मुझे ये बताते हुए भी काफ़ी खुशी है कि कुछ दिन पहले मैं माननीय मंत्री जी के साथ और डायरेक्टर टेक्निकल मिस्टर शर्मा वाज देयर, सो हमने अरुणाचल प्रदेश में जो प्रोजेक्ट्स हमने लिए हैं वो आपकी जो प्रेजेंट क्षमता है ऑलमोस्ट उसी के बराबर के हैं। तातो 1, तातो 2, हीरो, नियांग, I think as we go along there is no limitation to grow. तो आपके लिए जो कुछ दिनों पहले एक छोटा सा कंसर्न था कि अब क्या करेंगे, क्योंकि हमारे प्रोजेक्ट तो पूरे हो गए हैं और अब हम क्या करेंगे, तो उसके लिए कम से कम अगले 1 दशक और उससे भी ज़्यादा आपके लिए मेरे हिसाब से कोई कठिनाई नहीं आएगी। आपके लिए बहुत सारे अवसर उपलब्ध हैं और हम एज शेयर होल्डर्स ऑफ एनटीपीसी we will provide whatever is the investment necessary if there is a shortfall in NIPCO cash flow. और मुझे विश्वास है कि टीम के साथ जब मैंने जो भी डिस्कशन किया है उसमें से ये निकल के आ रहा है कि there is huge potential in the team and there is a competency in the different areas to execute the hydro projects, and soon I believe that people will be able to develop the capability in the renewable also, but till then we can take the help from NGEL, which is the another arm of NTPC for renewable energy. Sooner we will become self-dependent, better it is, and we should explore more and more. Yesterday I had the opportunity to meet Honorable CM Meghalaya along with Director Personnel. I think there is a possibility that we should work out how we can start the work on PSP and how we can start the work on Umyang, if I am just spelling correctly. There are some projects which seems to be not viable in the theoretical manner, but we will have to see how we can structure that these plants become viable, because at the end this is the natural energy, this is the non-fossil energy, and this is good for the environment, good for the society. So we should start looking at different structuring possibilities, how we can take it forward. अगले 1 साल में जब हम यहाँ पर 50th निप्को फाउंडेशन डे मनाने जाएंगे, उस समय तक मुझे विश्वास है कि हम 3 हाइड्रो प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम शुरू कर देंगे। काम शुरू हो गया है, डेवलपमेंट का काम शुरू हो गया है, लेकिन जो मैं कहना चाह रहा था वो एक्चुअल फिजिकल कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क हम 3 प्रोजेक्ट्स में कम से कम शुरू कर दें। ये हमारी काइंड ऑफ आवर एंडेवर है, हमारा प्रयास है, और मुझे विश्वास है कि हम जरूर इसमें सफल होंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट मिनिस्ट्री, डेफिनेटली आवर ओन मिनिस्ट्री, पावर मिनिस्ट्री, एवरीबॉडी इज ईगर, एंड आई थिंक within this first 6 months of this financial year, we are on the 2nd of April, so we should be able to formally declare that the construction has started in at least, if not 3, all 3, at least 2 of them. I had been discussing with Director Technical and his team what can be the different modalities to execute the projects, and it's not necessary that we will apply the same principle of contracting, awarding, finding the agencies in all the projects. We can look at some of the turnkey, we can look at some of the different packages as per our confidence and our assessment. What is important is that we should be able to make the good DPRs, and we should go through a very rigorous process that we hire the right kind of agencies so that our execution become much smoother. And मैं यहाँ पर ये भी साझा करना चाहूँगा स्पेशली टेक्निकल विंग से और कमर्शियल विंग से रदर देन जो कमर्शियल एस्पेक्ट्स एंड द फाइनेंशियल थिंग्स, कि हम जितना जल्दी आगे बढ़ेंगे उतना ही अच्छी एजेंसीज को हम हायर कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि अगले आने वाले दिनों में बहुत सारे हाइड्रो प्रोजेक्ट शुरू होने वाले हैं. सो फास्टर वी मूव, बेटर वी विल बी एबल टू गेट द रिसोर्सेज. डायरेक्टर फाइनेंस ने काफ़ी कुछ बताया अबाउट फाइनेंशियल थिंग्स, लेकिन ये हर्ष की बात है कि हमारा टर्नओवर, प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी, एवरीथिंग इज हाईएस्ट इन फाइनेंशियल ईयर 22-23. 23-24 के आंकड़े अभी नहीं दे सकते हैं, क्योंकि जब तक ऑडिट नहीं हो जाएगा. एंड नाउ we are part of the listed company, so we cannot say anything on that at present, but I'm sure that the technical and the commercial and finance team is taking care well. MOU rating, आप सबको पता है क्या है? ये काफी साइलेंस हो गए. चलिए, सो ये एक्सेलेंट है. और हालांकि ये थोड़ी सी देरी हो गई, लेकिन आज मैं जब डायरेक्टर फाइनेंस से पूछ रहा था अबाउट PRP, सो ही इज कंफर्मिंग के सबके अकाउंट में PRP चला गया है. And most of the people would have got at least about 1 lakh rupees, if even the junior most people. So this is the indication of your own performance, and this is in the hands of all of us here in this room and at the power stations. I must say our main business, and this I keep repeating in NTPC, our main business is at the power projects and power stations. All others in the office, we are here to support them to perform better. And I would encourage each and every one, especially youngsters, that they must work at least for a few years at site. Because if you don't work at site in the initial days, when you become senior, the junior people, in a very light sense, they take you for a ride. So it's necessary that every engineer at a younger age must work in the field. And I would request Director Personnel that we should introduce that as a part of the policy itself, so that there is no mistake. I am very happy to learn that we have very harmonious industrial relations, and there would have been marked improvement in the last few months on the communication and interaction side. I had not been able to visit any of the power station, and I intend to visit in the next few months all the power stations. But I am happy to learn that all functional directors have been able to visit and be there, and they are aware of the issues. And the latest Director Personnel, Major General Jha, I think he also told me that he has been able to visit most of the power stations. If not, I think there will be one or two. I'm not sure if it is left. This will be covered very soon. Again, I think there has been lot of promotions in the last year or so, and we should maintain this as a routine exercise, not as an exception. That's what I would like to share with all of you.
Ready, sir? Thank you. Ready, sir? Look at something, sir. Thank you, sir.